Hey guys, how are you? It's Randy Bable here, principal broker of 10 commercial properties in Sevierville, Tennessee. I'm just down the road off the I-40, the 435 exit in Newport, and I have this fantastic vacant restaurant property here for an investor or an operator to pick up and to either buy, or you can also lease. What's great about this property is, number one, while it's vacant, you can do whatever you want. It's just been recently totally refurbished and upgraded, so all the utilities, everything is all serviced. I've got a whole list of stuff that's actually been done to it. But the location is fantastic as well. There's plenty of hotels and motels right around here. Great neighborhood area. It's a pad site for the local neighborhood shopping center, which already has a Lowe's and a Walmart, which draws a ton of clients every day. And this 321, right here where this restaurant's located, is going to be a new primary access point going in to Gatlinburg and the Smoky Mountains. So I'll tell you what, instead of me talking about it, how about we go in and let's take a look. I think you'll agree this is a fantastic vacant restaurant property, ready for an owner, operator, or franchisee to come in here, set up, put their own stamp on it, and it's ready for you to really make your mark here in Newport and this new gateway into the Great Smoky Mountains. Now, for more information, I put a website together. Right down here's a link, and also my contact details are right down here below. Pick up the phone and give me a call, and let's see if we can make this your new restaurant here in the heart of the Great Smoky Mountains. I look forward to hearing from you.